Brian.
Yes, ma'am.
So welcome to SpeakBay, and today we are going to discuss how SpeakBay can help you improve your English skills. Okay, so let me start by showing to you the classroom. Okay, so this is our classroom. Okay, so as you can see, you have the tools here. And
Okay.
I am using my pen, so you can also do the same. You can click the tools here and you can try it right now.
So that means I can also draw on the whiteboard?
Yes, you can. You just click the pen and you can start. Try. There's no harm in trying.
Okay.
Okay, and do something very good. Okay, that's good.
This is all I can draw.
And then you can actually make use of the color palette here. You can change your color if you want to.
Oh, cool. There's blue.
Yes, and you can change the colors
I
right
think the
there.
other one is red.
Okay, okay. So you can make use of the eraser. You have here the eraser if you want to erase them one by one, or you have here this double thing here. That means to say that you are going to clear up everything. Try. That's good.
Oh,
Okay. Now, first, how did you get an idea about Speedway? Did you see it from online postings or what? When you sent the inquiry, where did you get us?
I saw a friend shared it on Facebook, so I got curious. So I want to know what is SpeakBay and what do you do?
Okay, that's a good question. First, SpeakBay is an online school for English education, but we are actually a language center, and so there are upcoming courses that might be helpful to those who are willing to study not only English. Okay, well, for now we focus on English, but then maybe a few months from now we will be launching Chinese and French and other languages that might be possible for us to study online. Basically, this is online school for English.
So why do you think I should choose SpeakBay? What's so different about it from other schools?
Okay, so that is actually a very good question. Very good question. Okay. First, when you go online now, you can see a sea of online schools. Okay, so they are picturing different kinds of medium that they are using. Some of them are using, some of the famous ones are using the Skype. Okay, they are using QQ in China, that is famous. Okay? But SpeakBay is using Schoolnet. Okay? The Schoolnet virtual classroom is what we have here. Okay, so this is basically our classroom. This is where we are going to learn. Now, the best feature of Schoolnet is that we are going to study with a live teacher. Okay, so everything is live. Okay, so just like what you are doing now, you are talking to me, I am talking to you, we are going to do the class doing a live class. We can even invite other people to be with us. I can, as a teacher, the teacher can change this one into three. Okay, so just like this one, there are three windows that you can see here, and so you can see other windows wherein any student can go there also. So in a different location, they might be in Taiwan, they might be in India, and the students can learn English through cultural classes, or it could be man-to-man, or it could be an ordinary group classes. Okay, so using this medium, okay, it will be very easy for us in an online setup. So the best feature is that you are going to study with a teacher live, okay, right there where you are. You don't need to travel, you don't need to be in the Philippines, you don't need to be somewhere else just to meet a teacher and to study English. You don't need to leave your job. You can even study English where you work or where you sleep, where you eat, in your dining room, wherever you want. For as long as you have the connection, you have the internet, the proper speed, internet speed that we need in order for you to communicate with us. And some of our students in Taiwan are even using Skype when there is a possibility for them to talk to us only using their mobile phones. You know what I mean? They don't have the laptop with them and they are in school, but it's time for them to study. So we cannot open this because this classroom will require them to use a kind of internet speed that must be a little bit higher, 1.5 Mbps to be exact. But then they really want to have their class at this time, but they have only their mobile with them, and so they are trying to communicate with us using Skype. Okay, so in this way, they are still talking to their teachers even if they're not using this. Okay, but in order for us to have a really good class, we need a classroom, and this is actually the classroom, the virtual classroom, which is almost what we have in a traditional school. We have it here. All we need to do is use the tools right here, and then we can have our class. And one feature is that we can upload your book anytime. Okay, so from my side here, okay, I have the books actually in my documents, and so I can upload one page of our book. For example, I am doing it right now. And this is it. Okay, so you can, okay, what you can see right now is a page of the book, and we are actually going to study using the classroom. So if we are going to do it in Skype, it will be very difficult for the student to study, and the teacher do not have the tools that we need in order for us to emphasize something. Like for example, we can use our pen if we want to emphasize something, like I am going to use this to emphasize this word. So I think you can see it right where you are right now, right?
Yes. So I can see that this is really convenient. It's so easy to use.
That's the perfect word to use. Okay, so our intention is to bring English to where you are and not to bring you where we are. Okay, so this is the objective of SpeakBay. Now, our objective is to give our students all the convenience. Okay, you can study anytime, the most convenient time for you. Okay, you can choose to study within 30 minutes or within an hour. It doesn't matter how long you want to study with us, for as long as you are convenient in doing that. Because we believe that convenience is really expensive. Okay, but we will make it really easy for you and a lot cheaper for you, because you don't need to spend an arm and a leg for this. You don't need to spend that much money in order for you to travel to another country just to study English. Okay, so right where you are right now, at the convenience of your own bedroom or in your own office maybe, then you can choose to study anytime. If the only time you can study is at midnight your time, then we don't have a problem with us, because we are actually doing this 24/7. Any more questions, sir?
That is really cool. I just want to know if there's an age limit for those who can study here, or like who can join the courses.
That's a good question. Some of our students from Canada are Koreans living in Canada, but they are trying to educate their children through online education for one reason. In Canada, it's very expensive to study English because they are Koreans, and so therefore they will be priced much for this. And so they send their children online. And one of them is actually a 3-year-old boy. studying shapes, colors, or something like that. So it's very easy to do that here because we have unlimited access to the internet, and so it will be very easy for us to teach songs and yells, colors, shapes, numbers, letters. And sometimes we will even add videos to that. So this is how we do that. We have a web share, and if we are going to uh, teach a student, maybe very small one, or of course they're not going to listen to us, maybe just like what you are doing right now. So we can go to the web, okay, and here we can start teaching them with moving books or videos, songs from songs from phonics. We can say that our medium is one of the best so far. So as you can see, we have here a moving book in front of you right now. Okay, so if we are going to click one of this is actually free. This is free. This is actually from the Starfall, and then we can start the learning process. Okay, so you can see if we are going to click one of this, then we can start our class, okay, with small kids. But then we don't limit our school to just kids. So even adult students can study. Moms are actually doing that. Some mothers are trying to hide themselves from their friends, so they don't want their friends to know that they are studying English. Or for example, some managers of big companies, they don't have the time really to go abroad just to study, and so they are doing this in the comfort of their own home. So if you don't really have the chance to do that outside, then you can come and see us for this. Okay, so the older ones, the younger ones, it doesn't really matter. What is important is that they have the idea how to use the internet.
Oh, that is really cool. I just want to know also if is there any way to track my progress?
The objective of those people who are coming online to educate themselves in English, or should I say that to increase their skills, improve their skills in English. Their progress is based on their confidence. You know what I mean? Some of the people are not really so much into grammar when they are online, okay? So except those mothers who are particular about the progress of their children in grammar, so they are requesting us. So how do we track the progress of the students? Very easy for us to do that because we are doing that almost every day, okay? So during the conversation process or during formal classes of grammar, should I say the academic class, we are actually giving them short quizzes, okay? And then we will inform the students right there if what's the reason why the score is so low and what is the reason why the score is so high. So there is always a kind of quizzes, short quizzes during the classes. And some of the teachers are giving their quizzes at the end of the week, okay, to give more infos to the moms of the progress of the children. We are so particular about the progress of the students in terms of, should I say, progress in speaking. You know what I mean? Okay, so we are more particular into how good the student is progressing in terms of speaking skills. And so therefore, we give the students more chances to speak here. Okay, so I am not doing that right now because I am answering your questions, but during the class, there is a kind of rule that we are following here. The teacher will speak less, at least 30% is for the teachers and 70% must go to the student. So there is a possibility that this teacher will keep on asking questions and the student must be able to express themselves more through speaking, because that is really the objective of the student of coming online.
So that means I can also ask questions while the teacher is teaching?
We believe that in order for us to learn communication, we should communicate. And then communication is a two-way street. That means to say that I should talk to you and you should talk to me. And so therefore, while the class is ongoing, then you have all the chances to raise questions. Teacher, how about this and how about that? And the teacher should answer your questions. One of the basic rules that we are following as teachers online is that not to allow our students to go without answering the questions that they posted here now. In as much as possible, we should answer the questions right there when the question is being posted. You can raise your questions anytime during the class. Unless the question is something different or maybe deviating, okay, from the topic, but we still do. For example, in the case of Korean children, when they don't like the lesson, these are kids, we're talking about kids, and they don't like the lesson at that time, they're going to pop up questions like, teacher, how was your weekend? So we don't tell the students, we're not going to answer you if how is my weekend. We should stick to our lesson. That's we will never do that, okay? Because we should answer the student first. And so my weekend is good. And how about you? How did you spend your weekend? And so conversation will continue.
And is there any way for me to get recordings of our lessons?
Right now, sir, I am actually recording what we are doing. Okay, and you can do the same. You can see that in this part where the screen is, I introduced you the screen before that and my document. You can see recording there, and so you can actually start recording where you are right now if you want to record it. But if you don't want, the teachers are also recording the class, and so therefore you can request for this if you are not doing it by yourself. There's no problem about that. This is one way
Okay.
for you to track your progress.
Oh, I see. Those are all my questions for today, teacher. Thank you
Thank
for
you very
answering
much.
them.
Thank you very much. We hope to see you soon, and I hope that you are going to enjoy our classes in Speak Day. We are looking forward of being with you. I am looking forward of being with you. I hope that you are going to go over to the teachers page of the website and you can choose whom you want to be with. Okay, thank you very much for coming to my
Okay,
demo
teacher.
class. Bye bye and thank you.
Thank you. Bye.